Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start today's tech news with REALME. Exclusive renders and specifications of REALME GT2 Pro are leaked by OnLeaks. According to these renders, this smartphone could have 6.8-inch WQHD Plus flat OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, in-display fingerprint sensor, Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 processor, 50 megapixel main plus 50 megapixel ultra-wide plus 8 megapixel telephoto rear camera setup, 32 megapixel selfie camera, 125 watt fast charging, UFS 3.1 storage, Android 12 with Realme UI 3.0 could come in a single variant of 12GB to 56GB and could cost around $799, that is around rupees 60,000. Motorola launched its Moto G31 in India. This smartphone has 6.4-inch FHD Plus AMOLED, 60Hz refresh rate, 700 nits brightness display, rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, Mediatek Helio G85 processor, 50 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 13 megapixel selfie camera, 5000 mAh battery with 20 watt charging, Android 11 with MyUX, Dolby Atmos, Bluetooth 5.0, 3.5mm audio jack, IPX2 rating. It comes in meteorite grey and sterling blue colors. This smartphone is launched in two variants. The price of 4GB 64GB variant is Rs 12,999 and the price of 6GB 128GB variant is 14,999. Mediatek Dimensity 7000 current sample parameters are leaked by Digital Chat Station. This upcoming processor will be based on TSMC 5nm process with 4 into 2.75 GHz A78 plus 4 into 2 GHz A55 CPUs and Mali G510 MC6 GPU. Mediatek Dimensity 9000 processor is going to be launched on 16th of December. The next version of Origin OS, that is Origin OS Ocean, is going to be launched on 9th of December in China. According to Digital Chat Station, Motorola is planning to launch a smartphone with an under-display camera. Xiaomi launched its Redmi Note 11T 5G in India. This smartphone has 6.6-inch FHD Plus 90Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate, IPS LCD display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection, Mediatek Dimensity 810 5G processor, 50 plus 8 megapixel dual rear camera setup, 16 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery with a 33 watt charging, Android 11 with MIUI 12.5, side mounted fingerprint sensor, LPDDR4X RAM, UFS 2.2 storage, Bluetooth 5.1, X-axis linear motor, 3GB virtual RAM, dual stereo speakers, IR blaster, dual 5G SIM support, 7 5G bands, IP53 rating, and an 3.5 mm audio jack. This smartphone is launched in three variants. The price of 6GB 64GB variant is Rs 14,999. The price of 6GB 128GB variant is 15,999, and the price of the top end variant, that is 8GB 128GB, is Rs 17,999. Honor earbuds to light are spotted on Indian BIS certification and Indian import database website. A new Redmi smartphone with the model number 220117TG with the 50 megapixel main camera and 13 megapixel selfie camera is spotted on TÜV Rheinland certification. Xiaomi L3A with the 6.3-inch display, Snapdragon 870 processor and HROG support receives the certification. Moto G30 LTE variant receives Indian BIS certification. Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 receives NBTC certification. Xiaomi files a trademark for Xiaomi Watch S in the global market. Red Magic 7 5G with the model number NX679J receives Bluetooth SIG certification. OnePlus 9 RT 5G has been listed on Google Play Console listings. Vivo files a new trademark for True Vivo. Honor 60 Pro with model number TNA AN00 is spotted on Geekbench database website. iQOO U5 5G with the model number V2165A receives 3C certification. Poco X4 NFC is coming up soon. Vivo V23 5G and Vivo V2130 receives TKDN certification. Xiaomi 12X, also known as Poco F4 Pro Indian variant, is going to be launched soon. Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge is going to be launched soon in India. Lava Magnum Pro is spotted on Google Play Console listings. Samsung Galaxy S22 receives Indian BIS certification. Redmi Note 11 Pro Indian variant is spotted on IMEI database website. REALME 9 Pro Plus receives Indian BIS certification. Huawei FreeBuds 4 New receives Bluetooth SIG certification. Huawei Watch 3 receives Indian BIS certification. This is all in today's tech news. I hope you like it. Now, I will see you on Friday with the next episode of Tech News with Mallu. Signing out for now. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and save water.